You guys didn't notice I dyed my hair? Nobody cares? It's okay. I don't care either. I just thought maybe someone else would care, but if you guys don't care, I don't care. Debated! It's a wig. Some of you guys guessed right, but you guys still believed me. For a second, you believed me. Oh, I got you for a second. I got you.
This is tougher than I thought. But I have a secret weapon, guys. I have a secret weapon, and here's how I know I'm gonna beat this guy. There's no way this game's not gonna make me win. If I randomly spend money in the middle of a battle, they wouldn't expect that. Yellow? I knew it, guys. I knew it. They wouldn't expect me to spend money in the middle of a battle. I'm too smart for this game. I'm just too smart, guys. How do I come up with these ideas? I don't know. But this is how you do it, guys. Most people are like, oh, I'm going to roll out of combat. Me, I roll in the middle of a boss fight, and then I get another one. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Well, guys, what can I say? I'm too big brain for this game. See, they have these things like bad luck. They think people roll during regular times, maybe in town, maybe after they spend money. I roll in the middle of a battle, and that's how you get a free thing. And we got a 4-star. That's insane, guys. That's
Genji? Okay, yeah, do your thing. Okay. Okay.
Wow. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding?
I'm so scared.
Oh wait,
I
thought
you
Shield
trust me. I'm trying to get you to trust me.
You thought I was wearing white, didn't you, killer?
I know. I thought Shield just died.
Is this on the dropship?
No. This is right below lab.
Okay, good.
It's not me, Steve, or who's that? Who's next to us?
It's not
Is it
5
Z?
either.
Then you're a dumb bitch.
Will I survive Death Valley? We shall see!
Oh, Pog, I survived.
You can literally jump out of this. Walk up to the stair at the top, and then just walk and jump out.
What are you doing?
I can't get out of City's temple. I can't
Just jump up.
I can't. It doesn't work.
Jump up.
It doesn't work.
Look, see?
It doesn't work.
Come on, just jump.
I can't. I jump from this. Look. It's missing a step, right?
Yeah. Come on, just place the block down.
I'm trying. Why does it disappear?
Yvonne, just place the block down.
Wait, it disappears.
Yvonne, just place the
I
block
can't. I can't.
With some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a mop for this wet ass pussy. Give me everything you got for this wet ass pussy. Beat it up. Catch a charge. Extra large, extra hard.
Alright, let's try sucking them in. That'll surely work. They're immune to the suck? I can't believe it.
Hey, but are you going to SawCon last year? What the heck is SawCon? What the heck is SawCon? I hate you guys. You guys are stupid. I hate you guys. I hate you.
How many do we have? Frick.
Can't wait to give you all free diamonds. Oh no. Okay, this is fine. We can get mine diamonds. Okay, how do we make like goodie bags?
24 diamonds. Goodie bags.
Oh
wait! Turn around!
What do you mean turn around?
It's raining diamonds. It's raining diamonds.
Oh my God!
It's raining.
Who was that?
It's raining diamonds. Sykkuno, thank you.
Yeah!
Oh. Chris, hit me.
me. Hit me with the frying pan. Hit me.
No!
No, do it. Do it. I'm not gonna hit you back. I promise. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me with the frying pan.
One time.
No. I promise. I promise. Hit me. I need it. It levels up my magic. The more you hit me, the more I level up. Hit me. Hit me. Do it, Chris.
Whoa,
do it.
That's some kinky magic.
Yeah. Okay, just so no, not again. Okay, wait. Let me eat.
No.
Okay, someone is gonna have to come pick me up now. I'm in my magic temple that I can't leave without my stuff. All right, let's wait for daytime.
Terrified of not existing, if that's what you mean.
Well, that's basically what death is like. You don't exist, at least in your perspective.
Yeah.
I'm receiving some very terrifying whispers right now.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Well, my vision went dark and a bunch of chanting just happened, so I think I have to go now.
Alright.
I'm confused. You might want to you're a medical professional, right?
This is actually a medical.
That might be something to check out.
So you know that I'm talking only to
I'm not a medical professional that deals with psychological problems.
Isn't this
You keep stammering up!
Well,
I mean, whispering kind of
It's actually just a meta concept. It's not even a real thing. Don't even worry about it.
Psychological problem.
I'm concerned and confused. You.
I swear to God, I'll kill you all. Anyway, when I talked to him, did you?
Very nice.
Twitch sent Chance this drone. Pretty cool, huh, Twitch? Wow. Twitch sent Chance this drone, aka Twitch sent me this drone. Thank you, Twitch. I appreciate that. Good looks.
For your arsenal.
For my repertoire. There we
Hassan
go.
got one too.
Well, you know what Hassan didn't get? You ready? You know what Hassan didn't get? My second PlayStation.
The Viking carries every stream, Nicholas Bogo.
Yes, thank you. There we go. Amazing. Fuck you, Hassan. How about that?
So, Albert, what's it like to be someone who other people don't want to be around and to be cut off from the pack?
Sorry, it's heavy.
Yep. I'm gonna start crying in a second.
3 strikes permaban. 3 strikes permaban. 3 strikes permaban. 3rd strike unbanned after 4 days. See, but because Void Boy's known, that's why he's fine. Now, here's the thing. Do I think that all these streamers will get unbanned one day? Yes. But it might take us some time. Because I remember, I remember that Devin Nash told me that I think he said there's like 55,000 partners. So it's going to be kind of hard for all of them to get, make sure that they're okay. 3rd strike permaban. It's like, and these guys are not getting 2nd strike. Wait, he said 2? Same.
You want me to turn it off?
No.
Oh no, please.
I like it.
It's gonna get weird. It's getting weird.
Yeah, apparently Watch this.
He ruined the mashed potatoes.
Watch this. See my finger?
Yes.
I'm about to find your belly button. You remember this? Watch this.
What are you doing, Chance? Chance, what are you doing? It's gonna get weird, please. Okay, you're a wizard. What are you... You miss.
My turn.
You missed.